Can chops really be simple? Well, in this lesson they are. What's up everyone, Eddie here. I hope you're all doing well. And that fill that you just saw is what we're breaking down today. And no, it's not just about learning another fill, it's about getting the tools to be able to create these kind of fills yourself in the future. Because copying fills is just not enough. You need a system. So let's dive in. All right, let's strip it down. This fill is actually just an inverted paradiddle. And the inverted paradiddle, for those who don't know, is right, left, left, right, left, right, right, left. And we're playing it in 16th notes, or if you like, in 32nd notes, twice as fast. Now, this pattern is simple, but it doesn't mean that it's going to be easy to play it fast around the kit. You need to put in the time. Step one, first thing you want to do when you're learning a new chop is to slow it down. Even when you think you're playing slow, play it even slower. I promise you this will help you get control over the pattern and integrate it into your system. Let me play it slow for you on the snare drum so you can see how this pattern works and slowly build up the speed. Step 2. What is it actually that makes this fill cool? Yes, it's about a certain pattern, but what makes a chop or fill really come to life are the tools that we're going to use today. And the first tool is dynamics. Let's accent only the single strokes in the inverted paradiddle. So once that pattern is really integrated and you'll learn how to use accents in different places, it's time to move it around the kit. So step 3 is orchestration. Where do you play the fill that you're playing? Let's explore some options. The first thing that I like to do is just move my accents to the toms. So the single strokes moving to the toms. Now, of course, you can also move the double strokes to the toms. Now here's another way of orchestrating this inverted paradiddle, and that's moving only your right hand to your cymbal and adding your kick. This is something that a lot of great drummers do. And now let's accent the 2 and the 4 on the snare drum. Sounds pretty cool, right? Now you kind of get that groove feeling, groove fill variation vibe. All right, last step is to play it in the context, using it as a fill. I'll play an example as a 16th note fill and as a 32nd note fill with a halftime groove. All right, that's it. But remember, the magic does not happen by just copying this fill. The magic really happens is when you take this pattern that you've learned today and move it around your own kit. Maybe you have a different setup than me, but most of all, you're a different person and you like different stuff. So go and explore with this pattern, orchestrate it around the kit, try playing different accents, and drop me a comment when you've tried it and let me know how it feels. Now, if you like this video, please subscribe. I will be posting new lessons every week. And if you like the way that I approach these fills, this is something I do in the Flow Collective. Not just memorizing fills, but using the tools to create them yourself. So if you want structured practice programs, feedback on your drumming, and a step-by-step system to get better, just check the link in my description. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.